Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the basic Python programming, and it is under the AI 101. So today we will talk more about the Python introduction and print statement, variable, and how the data, how the value can be assigned to the variable, and the data types. It will include the different data types, for example integer, float, and string. And we'll discuss some string operation also today. In the first, the programming language Python, we will discuss some introductory information about the Python. It is a it is a very user-friendly programming language, and it was developed by Guido van Rossum. Uh, she's a Dutch programmer, and today the Python is a very versatile programming language. We can use it in the web development, data analysis, machine learning, and some desktop application also. And the main advantage of Python programming is we do not need to specify the data types, and we don't worry about the memory management, and it does by the Python programming language automatically. So the coding also, it support the different type of coding like the functional programming, object oriented. You can use any programming techniques here. And the main advantage of the Python programming is it's rich in libraries. The main popularity of the Python programming is gained by the many available libraries, built-in libraries, modules, and today it is very easy to solve a different type of the problems using those libraries. This is some short introduction about the Python, and so let's begin some programming with the Python programming here. So last time we already developed, already created a virtual environment inside this G drive. So we will use this virtual environment for today's programming, and we have the Python already installed here under this virtual environment AI 101, and we have the script folder, and here is the Python. Okay, so let's use this installed virtual environment for today's programming. So we need the command prompt. Let's start from the command prompt, and we will move to this directory first. Here is the G drive, so let's move to the G drive, and then under inside this directory here. And after that, we already installed the Jupyter notebook, so we are going to use the Jupyter notebook here. Jupyter notebook, just type it, book, and after the execution, we can see this type of the interface in your web browser. And here you can open new notebook here, yeah, this is the platform where you can start your programming for today. So let's begin with the simple programming. First, let's start from the print statement here. Just for the print, you should write the print, and in this inside this curly bracket, if you are going to print the string, then you should uh, you should write your the print content inside this double quotes. Okay, for example, I am writing hello world here. So just after defining your print content, you can run this program from this by clicking this button here. Yeah, this is the output of your program, right? So this is the very basic print function, and we can use the print function for the different purpose here. Okay, so this is for the string, and this if you want to print the integer value, just type print function, and inside this print you can directly define the input values here. For example, I write here, I wrote here the 26 number, and then it just print that input value, and you can integrate the string with the integer value. For example, print my output is 26. In this way, you can integrate the string and the integer values here. And also sometime you need some space. For example, if you are going to write in this way, you should define the space, but sometime you need the longer space. For example, you are printing your content in this way, print for example hello, and then you can print another your string here. And if you are writing your content in this way, it print like this one, different line. Okay, so how to integrate this content in a single line with some space inside inside after the first this string? Just type int. Int is a just use int keyword here, and you can use the multiple quote here, and yeah, if you want some this type of the space in between these two words, then you can add this int keyword, and just you can print these two word in a single line also. Okay, yeah, for example, let's make another example. Print function we have, and you want to display different categories like apple, banana, and for example cherry. Okay, cherry. And if you just print these values, there is no space, and last time we add the end statement here. Okay, if we add the end statement here, you can get the space at the end of this line, in end of the last word. Okay, so how to separate each item with such type of the space makers? Okay, for that you can use the separate keyword here, and you can see it separate all the items with some your separators you given here, right? In this way you can separate the multiple item also inside these print functions. Okay, so next is the input function. In the input function, the user need to input some values to the system for the further execution. For example, you can use let's make a program in which user need to input some values, and then it display the inputted value. For example, user input we are going to define a variable here, and input is a keyword for that that input, and we need to yeah, here we can specify, we can define the some display information so that the user can understand what should its his input. Okay, so please input your number. Yeah, this is the information that help the user to input any value. Okay, now now just run it. Yeah, here if you the program is expecting some input from you, and I inputted 45 years and then enter. Yeah, the enter value is 45, right? But actually this value is stored on this variable, so let's print this variable, what is going to stored in what is stored in this variable. Just print function, and inside this print function let's output the variable. Your input is, okay, yeah, in this way, like user underscore input. Okay, now let's run this program, and the system is expecting some input from the users. So 48 is my input here, and also our print function we use here to display the what is inputted by the users. Okay, in this way you can define your input functions here. Now let's discuss some more about the variable and its type. Okay, for example, the variable I already mentioned here that in Python you don't need to specify the data type of the variable. Just according to your input value, the Python programming assign the variable of the same kinds. Okay, for example, x is equal to 12 here, and y is equal to I assign the list. I'm going to assign some float value here, and the g I am going to assign some string value. Okay, so let's print the data type of this variable. Okay, print. We can use the type function here to identify the data type of the variable. Okay, now I define the type. I want to know about the type of these three variables, and so I write the type. I use here the type keywords and to know about its type here. And you can see here after the execution, you can see here the X is the integer type, Y is the float type, G is the string type. So we can conclude here the automatically system define the variable type based upon our input values. Okay, so now you can use the different functions to work on this variable, like sum, like mathematical notation you can use. For example, a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 2 here, and let's print now a plus b. You can get the output here, put in, and if is the string, this is the multiplication, and this is the division. Okay, so this is the absolute division, this is the only you can get the base, right, not the ceiling content. So if you use the double quote here, you can get the power, right, a to the power b, like this. Okay, yeah, you can practice furthermore, like other mathematical operator for this. Now for the string, let's discuss some more about the string. For example, you have three strings. You can define the string in Python by the three different ways. For example, print function. I'm going to use just inside this print function. This is the hello. Yeah, here I am defining the string using the double quotes. Okay, now you also can define the string by the single quote only, like this. Okay, and also if you want to print the string with multiple lines, maybe yeah, let's see it here. Hello, my name is, yeah, these are the sum. Yeah, in this way you can define the string. This is for these two are for the single line. If you using the three single quote, and you can use the multiple lines here. Yeah, in this way you can define the string here. Okay, so now string in the string you can make the different operation. For example, I have a str1, and in the str1 I have hello. This I just define a variable str1 and assign a hello here, and str2 is another variable, where I assign Halu Nepal. Okay, yeah, so I can concatenate the two strings. For example, print str1 plus str2. In this way I can add or concatenate the two strings here, but there is no space, right? So I can add some space here with single quote or double quote, no problem. Okay, yeah, here in this way I can add some space also. Okay, so yeah, if I want to repeat the same string content multiple times, for example, print yes tr1 sticks, I just want to print it in 3 times, then let's multiply the string 1 with 3, and in this way you can get the same 3 times the same string content is repeated here. Okay, so if you want some length, just print, and you can use the len function, len, and str1 here. Okay, you can give the length here, length of the string is 5 here. And so if you want just the starting or end character of the string, then you can use the indexing operation. For example, str1, you just want the starting, this is the 0, and if you want the last one, str1, and the last position is -1. Okay, so in this way you can get the starting and the end character. This is the starting character of the hello, and this is the end character O. Okay, so you can define the range also. Just print str1, and from the 0 to 3, you can print the character from 0th position to 3rd position here, 0 0 1 2. Okay, actually the last value is exclusive here, so you cannot print in this way, because it's the exclusive. The first one is the starting is the inclusive position, and the last one is the exclusive. That's why the another L is not printed here. Okay, so you can use some function on the string also. For example, you can use print str1 dot upper. Okay, this is the upper. For the uppercase you can capitalize in this way, and you can use the lower for the small letter. Okay, yeah, here. So we have another function called format. Using that format function, you can replace the any string value to any position. For example, our output is one variable I assign, and here I am going to assigning some this string 1 and 2 in the different position. Okay, so use the curly bracket for that to specify the position. Okay, my name my name is Agia, and I love programming. For example, Python. Okay, Python, or I love Dada. Okay, I just want to replace with the Nepal here, So yeah, uh, this is my whole uh, whole string, and I am going to replace these two position by this string. For that, just dot for function, and according to the position you should define your string. Here str1 for the first position, and str2 is for the second position. Okay, yeah. So let's print it, because the already value is assigned to this variable. So print this variable, our underscore output, out output. Okay, yeah, let's print this one. Yeah, here you can find it. Yeah, this position is filled by the string one. This is the hello, and another content the same, and the last this position is filled by the string 2. This is the string 2 here in the Nepal. Okay, yeah, in this way you can work on different string operation on the Python. Okay, so yeah, and this is all about the basic Python class first today, and see you next week with some more Python programming concept. Thank you very much.